Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today, gagawa tayo ng low-carb cocoa flour cookies using a toaster oven. Watch this! Here are the ingredients. 1/4 cup coconut oil. 2 pieces eggs. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla flavoring. 1/2 cup coconut flour. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 8 sticks of equal gold. 1/3 cup dark chocolate, but this is just an optional ingredient. And lastly, we need some melted butter. Again, here are the ingredients for the low-carb cocoa flour cookies. Let's start baking. Ilagay ang coconut oil sa mixing bowl. Ilagay ang 2 eggs. Then, mag-add ng vanilla. At atin itong imimix. After mixing, i-add ang cocoa flour. Mag-add ng salt. And then, ng baking powder. Isasama na rin ang equal gold. And we will mix all the ingredients. We have to mix it well. Next na i-add ang dark chocolate. Again, we need to mix it. At eto na ang ating cookie dough. Kunin ang oven tray at pahiran ng butter. But if you have parchment paper, better use parchment paper instead. Mag-scoop ng cookie dough at ilagay sa oven tray. Ngayon, ready na sila for baking. But make sure na preheat ang toaster oven for 5 minutes. After preheating, pwede nang ilagay ang tray sa loob ng oven. And we will bake this for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your cookies are ready. Nakagawa ako ng 8 pieces for this recipe. Look at that cookie. It's soft and chewy. Try nyo na din to, low-carb cocoa flour cookies. Invite ko na din kayo sa LCIF Association. Get your LC supplies just like the ones used in this video at a discounted price. Pwede ka rin mag-LCIF coach training kung gusto mong maging certified coach. And pwede ka din magbenta sa LCIF community once you become a partner merchant. Join na kayo sa LCIF Association. Ilalagay ko ang link sa ibaba. For more low-carb recipes and hacks, like and follow me on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!